Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Rogers, Instructional Technology Specialist here at RISA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on a new feature in Google Drive called Priority in Workspaces. You may have noticed recently an additional feature that's been added to your Google Drive. It's called Priority. If I click on Priority, this page shows you documents that may be the most relevant to you right now based on your activity within Google Drive. So as I go through my priority items, I can sift through and see maybe what might be most relevant or recent to my work in the past few days. You can take this efficiency tool one step further and sort and organize these relevant documents by creating what's called Workspaces. And I'm going to show you how that works. So if I scroll down and select Create Workspace, it's going to prompt me to title my workspace, and then click Create. And what it's going to do is going to start by giving me suggestions of, based on your title, these are maybe some things that you would want to add to your workspace. So I can pick from their suggested items and add the selected files. Or I can also add files on my own and go through my drive or my shared drives. So what's nice is I'm creating this workspace from documents that might live in all different folders. So once I determine what documents I want to live in that workspace, I can click Insert and then Done. And now my new workspace has been added with the documents I selected. I can go in and I can edit the name of my workspace. I can hide it, or I can also remove it. I can also have items live in more than one workspace. So let's say I want this to live in another workspace. I click the three dots and then I say Add to Workspace, and I can actually select which workspace that I've already created I want it to live in. Let's say I want to add it to the Agendas workspace, and now I can see that it lives in both of those places. If I want to remove it from one of the workspaces, again, click the three dots and select Remove from Workspace. So it's a really great way to organize documents that live in all different folders for easy access. So for example, this Agendas workspace is really helpful for me because all of these agendas are for different meetings with different groups, but I frequently access them. So instead of having to go into each folder within my drive, I can easily access them and update them quickly. So as you work, you might find that creating workspaces for different groupings or different topics might improve your efficiency and help you find things in Drive with greater ease. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.